So I have been using the Wolfbox G900 Pro from about a year now, and this is sort of a king of mirror dashcams, mainly because this offers you a Starvis to IMX 678 sensor from the front, gives you a 4K resolution from the front, and also gives you a 2.5K resolution at the rear, along with providing you a full 12-inch touchscreen display. So based on my own personal experience of using this camera, I can surely say that Wolfbox has produced a really nice product. I mean, the kind of performance which you can expect from the G900 Pro is just right there. And on top of it, since that it helps you in taking reverse by providing you a reverse view, is a cherry on top. So this is kind of one of the most premium products to those people who are looking for a reverse view along with getting a Starvis to, or should I say along with wanting a Starvis to 4K resolution. So the overall video quality as expected is sharp and crisp, nothing to complain against, and the cherry on top being the rear camera not just provides you a 1080p but rather provides you a 2.5K resolution is definitely good. Now the G900 Pro comes in like 2 or 3 different variants. The one which I have currently tested out is the G900 Pro regular dual channel variant, but this one also gets a TriPro variant wherein you get an extra triple camera. Now this costs slightly higher, maybe 5 to 6,000 rupees more, but within the TriPro variant you also get two other sub variants wherein you get either a cabin camera or a bumper camera. So if you are someone who wants to record inside the cabin of your car while you're out on a drive, the cabin version, or should I say the TriPro cabin version, would be the ideal choice. It will shoot about 1080p resolution from the cabin. But if you're someone who wants a 360-degree view of the car, specifically you want to mount the camera, the third camera at the front bumper, so that it can assist you while parking, showing you where the front bumper position is, and also even might during off-roading where you want to check out if there is any ditch, if there is any hole right in front of the car, the TriPro bumper version really helps. Now of course I'll give you the links for all three variants of the G900 Pro within the description of this video. And also the point to note is that you can grab extra discount on purchasing any Wolfbox camera using the coupon code GizmoBeep. So make sure to apply the coupon code using my affiliate links that have been given in the description. That being said, another cool aspect about this camera is that this also gets a GPS logger and also gets a free memory card right inside the box. So you don't have to purchase a separate memory card any point of time. Additionally, this camera also supports voice control and also gets 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for the fastest transfer of videos from the dashcam to your smartphone. The overall user interface, as even I've spoken about in the previous video of the Wolfbox M40, the user interface is very simple, neat, easy to understand. The touchscreen response is quite good, and you get basically both the front camera view and the rear camera view straight up on the screen. So specifically helpful to those people who want to monitor around the car, who want to have a clear and immediate look at the surrounding of the car. So this kind of mimics the 360-degree camera setup which comes in the recent cars. So basically if you have an older car and you want to sort of have a 360-degree camera, getting a Wolfbox TriPro version, the cabin version, or even the regular version might just do the trick for you. So even during night or low light conditions, the G900 Pro provides a really cool video quality from both front and the rear. And even talking about the installation part, I probably have shown this in detail in one of my previous videos. The installation is too quite easy, but for the rear camera, you might need to connect the reverse signal wire to the reverse tail light of your car in order for the camera to recognize that you have engaged the reverse gear, so that it immediately shifts to a reverse view when you put that particular gear. Most of the mirror cameras do come with about 9 or a 10-inch display. The G900 Pro provides you a larger 12-inch display. So basically you get a bigger and a larger view of the camera, both front and the rear, or simultaneously side by side. So this will definitely help you get a better picture of the surrounding of the car. So based on my long-term usage of the G900 Pro, I have not faced any issues or problems with this camera. There were no software glitches as such, and the processing of the video, the recording of the video was pretty much straightforward. No issues with that, and with the inbuilt memory card there is hardly any compatibility issue. So it's easy for me to recommend this camera to those who are specifically looking for such product around the price bracket of 25 to 26,000 rupees, and of course grabbing some extra discount using the coupon code GizmoBeep using my affiliate link given in the description below. So overall, I can surely say that the G900 Pro is a very reliable dash cam, especially in terms of its video quality, in terms of its display size, in terms of the overall value for money proposition. And of course, the TriPro versions of this, including the cabin camera version and even the bumper version, definitely work in its favor. So go ahead and grab any one of the versions of the G900 Pro. I'll give you the links for all three versions right down below in the description. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding any of these versions, you can just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, I'm quite sure it has, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a mirror dash cam, who want a premium mirror dash cam, along with the goodness of a star visitor sensor, along with getting a reverse camera view. Thanks for watching and safe driving.